Welcome to Motfoot English.
Oxford Vocabulary. Safe, safe, protected from or not exposed to danger or risk. Same, same, identical, not different. Save, save, to keep something from being wasted, lost, or spent. Say, say, to express words, opinions, or feelings verbally. School, school, an institution for educating children or a particular level of education. Science, science, the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world. Sea, sea, a large body of saltwater that covers most of the Earth's surface. Season, season, one of the 4 divisions of the year: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Second, second, coming after the first in order or time. Section, section, a part that is separate or distinct from the whole. See, see, to perceive with the eyes, or to understand. Seem, seem, to give the impression or sensation of being something. Sell, sell, to exchange a product or service for money. Send, send, to cause something to go from one place or person to another. Sense, sense, a physical or emotional perception, or an understanding. Separate, separate, to divide or disconnect something into individual parts. Serious, serious, demanding careful consideration, or showing deep thought or emotion. Serve, serve, to perform duties for or provide goods and services to others. Set, set, to place something in a specific position, or to establish rules or conditions. 7, 7, the number following 6 and preceding 8. Several, several, more than 2 but not many. Shake, shake, to move quickly or forcefully back and forth or up and down. Share, share, to give a portion of something to others or use something in common. Sharp, sharp, having a fine edge or point, or clearly defined. She, used to refer to a female person or animal previously mentioned or easily identified. Short, short, having little length, height, or duration. Should, used to indicate obligation, probability, or advice. Show, show, to display or make something visible or known. Side, side, a position or location to the left or right of something. Sign, sign, a symbol, mark, or indicator of something, or to write one's name. Simple, simple, easily understood or done, without complexity. Since, from a particular time in the past until now. Sing, sing, to produce musical sounds with the voice. Single, single, one in number, or not married. Sister, sister, a female sibling, or a close female friend. Sit, sit, to be in a position where one's weight is supported by one's buttocks rather than one's feet. 6, 6, the number following 5 and preceding 7. Size, size, the physical dimensions or magnitude of something. Skill, skill, the ability to do something well, typically gained through training or experience. Skin, skin, the outer layer of tissue that covers the body of a person or animal. Small, small, of a size that is less than normal or usual. Smile, smile, a facial expression characterized by an upward curving of the corners of the mouth, usually expressing happiness. So, to such a great extent, or in the same way. Social, social, relating to society or its organization, or needing companionship. Society, society, the aggregate of people living together in a more or less ordered community. Some, an unspecified amount or number of something. Someone, someone, an unknown or unspecified person. Something, something, an unspecified object, event, or phenomenon. Sometimes, At certain times but not always or often.